Hey guys, we're back today. It is March 10th, 2021. And yesterday we had a pretty good day. I mean, the entire day everything was green. Today was actually not bad. I mean, a lot of stocks that I own kind of sold. I mean, I had my limit on them and then I didn't even know. I mean, all of a sudden it's just gone, right? So, anyways, I mean, the Dow's going up like crazy. I mean, every day we're going up like 500 points, while the Nasdaq unfortunately is going down. Um, yeah, I mean I own a lot of stocks in the Nasdaq. I mean that's kind of bad for me, but I'm kind of selling. Uh, what else do we have? Yeah, so I just wanted to say that I told you that there was going to be a bounce. There's always a bounce, and I don't know. I mean, I still think March is going to be choppy. It can go down like Tesla went up $100 and then it went down $50. So it's going to be choppy, and we got the GameStop and everything happening nowadays. I don't know. I'm kind of being very careful because I'm worried that something might happen and can go down any time. And like I was saying, March is going to be choppy. I believe. I think it's going to be a lot better in April. A lot of the stocks that I have didn't like. Some of them sold, but a lot of them are still lower than it was during or before the sell off, right? So, anyways, I mean, I don't know. I made a video. I said you shouldn't sell. You shouldn't sell when you're at a loss. You should always keep it. I mean, it's not like you kept it for a year yet, right? I mean, if you keep it for a year and didn't even go up, then you might as well just sell. But a lot of the stocks I owned, some of them I had for years already. I don't know. I've been selling some of those. What else do I have? Oh yeah, the EV stuff. Those are the stuff I got into, right? That I bought. The EV stuff, I don't know. I mean, I like them. We're just waiting on it to have another run. I think Tesla is, I don't know. I mean, it's in a downtrend. If you zoom out to like the 3 month chart, right? Or the six, actually the 6 month might be better. Now the 3 month. I mean, it's like a line that's going down. I'm not too crazy about that because that would mean all the other EV stuff is gonna head towards that way too. So I'm kind of scared. So I'm just waiting for my bounce and I'm getting out. And there's always a bounce. And but oil, oil's going up. I'm like, what the hell, man? Do we still use oil? But oil's going up. I mean, I see a lot of the oil stocks I used to have like go up, but they're still not at the rate they were like 10 years ago. But I don't think it's gonna get there anymore. I don't know. I mean, I am not trying to catch the oil train because I don't believe oil will survive in whatever. I mean, it'll go up and it'll go down, but I just don't believe in oil anymore. So I'm kind of just hanging on that. We got, cannabis sector is hit so hard, it's unbelievable. If you're in the cannabis sector, I don't know. I mean, I'm not a big fan of cannabis. I got in, I got out. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm out of there. I don't like. I do not see a bright future for cannabis. You got to have a whole generation of cannabis users to actually make it work, right? I mean, and I might be dead by then. Who the hell knows, right? Because um, cannabis is a very interesting play. It's a very speculative play. I mean, who the hell needs cannabis? I mean, sure, you got it legalizing in Canada and the U.S., but if you do the population count, um, what is the population? Canada's around 30 something million. U.S. is around 300 something million, and then you have the UK. I don't know what the population there is, but the rest of the world is not going to go cannabis, right? I mean, they're not going to be smoking weed, legalizing it. It's not like it's a Western world kind of thing, and I am not a big fan of that because if you don't have the majority of the population smoking weed, like using electric cars, um, it is not. It is a future that is held back by other people that are not doing it or other countries that are not doing it. It's like I'll give you an example, like Asia, they're going green. Australia is going green. UK is going green. Europe is going green. They are doing electric cars. The world is going green. I kind of have more confidence in that opposed to weed because I don't even like as I know it. Like only a few countries are legalizing it, and while the other ones are still bad. I mean, right? And then you need a whole generation to accept uh, the drug aspect of it. So I'm not a big fan of cannabis. I know some people are, and they lost everything. That's the funny part. The first run up, right, in 2017, yeah, a lot of people telling me, dude, cannabis is the future, and then a lot of them went bankrupt, literally bankrupt and delisted. They're merging. Everyone knows Tilray. Tilray was at $400 a stock. Now it's at $20. You can pick it up as many Tilrays as you want, right? And they're merging, which means it's doing bad. And I don't want to be in that sector. I mean, I bought a cannabis royalty because I like it. You can hold royalty for long term because royalty is like, you know, you own a royalty of something. You don't actually own the cannabis, so I'm not buying cannabis. Anyways, the silver and gold stocks were up. Bitcoin and crypto stocks were up. I mean, Bitcoin is actually nearing its high. I'm taking this opportunity to offload my stocks. I'm not like the first time it went down, it totally caught me off guard. I'm not dumb enough to do that. Even if it hits a new high, I know the low can go to around 40 something thousand. So I might as well just um wait until it goes to 40,000 and buy in, right? And then if it drops more, then I'm just gonna hold it, and then if it drops even more, then I guess I'll average in. But if it goes to 40,000 again and it goes back up to like 60,000, then it's kind of good. At least I know where it kind of tops out, right? It tops out around 60,000 or 70,000. I don't know, but at least I know how low it can go right now, right? I mean, it could go lower, but there should be some solid support at 40,000 as I can see. But I'm looking to offload my crypto stocks. I don't have a good feeling about the crypto stocks. I don't know why, but I just feel like um, this is like one of those head fakes, right? They're trying to scam you into it before it goes down a bit more. Um, so we will see. I want to offload my crypto stocks so I can buy in when it's lower. I mean, because I bought in at the highs basically. Uh, yeah, I mean a lot of them went up like 40%, but that didn't really help me because it didn't really break even yet. Now my obviously my gold and silver stocks have been doing well. I mean the best actually because I bought in at really low and it's gone up. And today it wasn't that bad. It dropped last week. The stocks dropped too. The EV stocks, I don't know. I'm just keeping them. The graphites and the cobalt, those industry. But like I was saying, the majority of industry that were going up was like the meme stocks, right? You got costs here up 60, 70%. And then you have like GameStop, AMC, and those stocks that are really leading the pack, which is kind of scary to me because you have these stocks going up, which says, hey, if there's a stock market crash or like a financial crisis, you'd think that, hey, this is what caused it, right? So I don't know. I don't have a good feeling about it. Wow, lithium is up. So, anyways, yeah, the gambling stocks I didn't really look at, but they some of them are up, some of them are down. I don't really know what's happening. But the Dow was up, the Nasdaq was down. I don't know. I'm looking for this time to sell, and then when it starts moving again, that's when or when it drops more, I'll buy in because I think there's gonna be one final drop, right? I was saying that there's gonna be a drop, and then there's gonna be a bounce. I feel this is the bounce, and then it's gonna like scare because people are not scared yet, man. I mean, who is scared except me, right? I mean, my friends are not scared, so um, we'll see what happens. Obviously, I'm not selling everything. I'm keeping my silver and my EV stocks and stuff like that, but I don't have a good feeling right now. So, anyways, that's all. I just wanted to make a video to talk about that and let you know what I'm doing and what I'm thinking, how I'm feeling, and that's what I'm feeling.